Hello, I am April F. De Leon and I am from the beautiful country of the Philippines. I have been teaching mathematics for over 8 years now. Currently, I am teaching at Aglanot Integrated School handling grade 7 to 10 students. Today, I am applying for a teaching position in your esteemed school, specifically through J1 Teaching Exchange Program. As a passionate educator, I believe your school should consider hiring me because of my commitment to providing engaging, inclusive, and student-centered learning experiences. Over the years, I've honed my abilities to meet diverse learning needs, incorporate technology in my lesson, and foster critical thinking skills in my students. Beyond academics, I've also led extracurricular activities like math races, which not only make learning fun but also encourage leadership and teamwork. I have learned about this program through research and social media while exploring international opportunities for teaching. IER caught my attention because of its dedication to connecting teachers with schools that values diversity and global perspectives. I am excited to participate in the J1 Teaching Exchange Program because it offers a unique opportunity to grow both professionally and personally. This program will allow me to bring the Filipino value of community, leadership, and resilience in an international classroom. At the same time, I look forward to learning from the rich culture and innovative practices in the United States. Through this cultural exchange, I hope to widen my horizon and contribute to creating a more globally connected and empathetic learning environment. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunities to bring my passion for teaching and learning in your school.